If you're planning to take the IELTS test and want to get a high band score, don't go anywhere. On this channel, you can find tips and strategies that enable you to ace the IELTS test, so stick around. Hi, what's going on everybody? So good to see you again for another tutorial. I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 4th episode of the IELTS speaking series. Today we're going to respond to a Part 2 speaking task card. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Now I'm going to give you a topic and I would like you to talk about it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, you have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say and you can make notes if you wish. Do you understand? Okay. Here's your topic. Start your preparation.
A few moments later.
You ready? Now you only have 1 to 2 minutes to talk, so don't worry if I stop you in the middle, okay? Please start. I would like to talk about a very memorable road trip I took to the city of Isfahan in Iran. Although this goes back to almost 4 years ago, I remember every day of it as if it were yesterday. I went there with 4 of my closest friends with whom I have traveled a great deal. And we all share a great interest in traveling and discovering new places. As proponents of ecotourism, we didn't want to leave a big carbon footprint by traveling there by car or airplane, so we biked all the way from Tehran to Isfahan. It was exhausting but worth it. Had it not been because of the seemingly radical choice, we would have missed the chance to see some fantastic places. As for what we did there, I don't even know where to begin. You know, Isfahan is known to be home to many historic monuments, and we tried to see as many of them as we could during our brief stay there. These monuments included palaces, churches, and mosques dating back to 400 or 500 years ago. Seeing the beauty of such places is always a humbling experience. The other thing we did there was trying Isfahan's local dishes. And you know, I've actually saved the most amazing part for last. My buddies and I have an affinity for climbing, so this gave us reason to go to the outskirts of the city to get large doses of adrenaline climbing rocks around Isfahan. You know, calling the climbing part of the trip fun is something of an understatement. And when it comes to whether I enjoyed the holidays, I think it goes without saying that I absolutely did, because this experience gave me an opportunity to get to know a different culture, taste delicious local dishes, and spend plenty of time with my buddies. Now let's go back and analyze the response to this task card. And that's it for this episode. In the next one, we'll take a look at some Part 3 speaking questions. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing.
We all wanna be a little stronger.